Hey everyone, so welcome back. Thanks for watching this video and tuning in because we're doing an unboxing video on this one. And I know I've reviewed already a few massage guns, and a little bit of feedback was some of you wanted to see an unboxing video of a massage gun. Well, now we're going to do it because I just got a new massage gun sent to me, so I'm adding another fine addition to my collection, and it's by Bob and Brad, those famous physical therapists on the internet. Those guys, well, they wanted me to review their C2 mini massage gun and give it a review after they saw how I reviewed the other massage guns. So I decided that we're going to go with it and we're going to be reviewing their massage gun. I'm kind of excited, but before that, I got to open it. So you guys are going to witness opening it, and when you want to see that massage gun video, just make sure that you subscribe and you click on that bell icon so that way you don't miss when the video comes out. Now, let's open this up, but actually before we open it up, let's look at the back. It says 5 massage heads and 5 speeds. So 5 massage heads is a good thing, because if you remember in my massage gun videos, which you could always click on that playlist, we should have a minimum of 5 massage gun heads. Let's just see if it's the right ones when we open it, okay? Quiet in 3200 RPM, which means that they say it's quiet and it's only as high as 60 decibels through the 5 speeds. So that means it's quiet. And now it says convenient C-type charging. I think C-type charging means that it uses USB-C charging, but we'll have to find out as we open it. Anyway, let's open this up. Let's pull out that. Pull this open. Take that. Plastic. Alright. Ooh, nice. It comes with its own carrying case. I like that. And it has their logo on it. And that's really good because then I don't have to search for a massage gun carrying case, which is a big plus when looking at new massage guns. And enough people are doing it, so you might as well get one that offers you a carrying case. I don't care what the brand name is, they offer that. Anyway, so this looks nice. Tiny little massage gun. We're going to have to weigh it and see it. It potentially could be the lightest massage gun. That seems nice. See the 5 heads. And ding, 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 we have a winner. So one of the main things, if you remember, that I like is that they have 2 flat heads. The firm flat head and then the softer flat head, because the softer flat head is going to help with those more tender areas. It has the pointy one. That's good for knots in specific areas. It has the horseshoe, and it has the ball head attachment. So it has a good minimum 5 starting and USB-C, so that's good. It looks like it has a little rubber grommet. Okay, that probably goes into the massage gun. User manual. So, you know what? I'm going to put this away for now. I like what I see overall. And if you like what you just watched, then just make sure that you go and firmly press down on that like button and show a little love to this channel. And by the way, we are massage therapists, myself and the team, even though we do all make this YouTube video process happen together. But, we're not massaging as many people. So if you want to help support us, make sure that you become a member on our Patreon page or donate to our PayPal a website. We are Elite Healers Massage on PayPal. $5, $50, $500, whatever it is. We'd appreciate it during this pandemic and these uncertain times. Anyway, make sure you're also subscribed because you don't want to miss when I actually review this Bob and Brad massage therapy gun. And if you're in New York and you need help, make sure that you schedule your appointment with us at www.elitehealersmassagetherapy.com/appointment to schedule your appointment with myself or the team and get that massage therapy you need.